And this is it, my birthday travel experience to Japan. So napakabuti talaga ni Lord kasi He granted my request through fervent prayers na makapunta ng Japan. And of course, sa pagta-travel, di naman talaga maiwasan to have patience. Ayan. So kasama ko yung kaibigan ko na celebrate ng birthday din ngayon. At napakabuti ni Lord kasi I was able to see the beauty of the sunset. Ayan, so napakaganda. At of course, pagdating namin na Osaka, gutom na gutom kaming dalawa. And we look for a convenience store. At yun na nga, sa sobrang lamig. Ayan, naramdaman na namin. At of course, masayang adventure po talaga pag gabi. Ayan, so we grab a food. At ayan, kinumagahan ay we decided to go to Omeda Sky Building. At ayan, sa paglalakad namin, nakikita na namin ang iba't ibang kulay ng mga dahon kasi autumn na nga dito. And perfect for you to go here will be November going to December, mga last week of November and first week of December. So ayan po, so napunta kami ng Omeda and we paid for 1,500 yen. So almost 600 pesos po siya yung entrance and pwede na kayong kumuha ng ticket dito. So napakaganda po ng view at ito ay designed by Hiroshi Hara. It was completed last March of 1993. So ayan, na-enjoy talaga namin yung view dito. At of course, ayan, wala lang kaming ginawa kundi mag-picture-picture sa maraming Christmas trees. I mean, tuwang-tuwa talaga ako sa place na to and napakaganda. At of course, not only na circular shape yung observatory or floating garden observatory nila, dito makikita mo yung buong Osaka. And I really praise God na inalaw niya ako na makapunta sa place na to at napakabuti ni Lord na ginrant niya yung mga request ko talaga. So it's time for me to appreciate and to have gratitude. Ayan. So, happy birthday, Pamela Santos. Shout out po sa'yo. At ayun nga, so malaking pasalamat ko na nakakita ko yung buong Osaka. So, ayan na nga, may mga heart-shaped padlocks tayong nakikita. So, dito may mga magkasintahan na they put their names on it. At saka, of course, sa relationship, si Jesus lang talaga yung sentro dapat ng relationship na may forever. So, ayan na nga. So, nakita namin na structure, how it was built. At really, naalala ko yung panahon ni Solomon kung paano binibuild ng palace. Ayan. So, anyway, so ayun na nga. So, syempre, hindi nawawala yung yung paghahanap ng kape dito. So, we decided to buy a coffee. And then, of course, hindi rin mawawala na hahanapin muna namin yung takoyaki. So, so this is our first order ng takoyaki. So, first itinerary sa place na to. At yun na nga, so napaka-bless ko na I was able to experience yung view dito sa Osaka, specifically sa Umeda Sky Building. At maraming salamat, Lord, for allowing me to see the beauty of your creation.